Today, I'm very proud to be able to take y'all up there and do the ribbon cutting for what I think are two phenomenal programs. 1, 2, 3. All right.
And so these programs that you're going to be able to learn more about today, I think that they are going to be the big launch for our next step in life as a Santa Rita Eagle.
Really, all of this started with a dream and a vision about 4 years ago. One of the most pressing priorities in this district is to create a comprehensive career readiness opportunity on the east side. And we have proudly been able to bring these programs to fruition.
A typical student will graduate around 78%. When they get into CTE, it goes to about 95, even 98%.
To have this opportunity in a public high school in TUSD is just simply amazing.
The Tucson Unified School District is the proud home to 7,200 students that choose career and technical education programming. We are one of the premier CTE districts in the state of Arizona, and this is a continuation on that effort.